Hi students, how are you? Today I am discussing about cell lesson.
Cells are the basic building blocks. The structural and functional unit of all living organism is called cell. First, cell is discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He discovered the microscope after its invention of cell was discovered. Microscope is an instrument. It magnifies small things. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in thin slice of cork in 1665. Cork is bark of a tree. Outermost layer of this is called bark. After taking one little bit of cell, he observed in the microscope small segments he observed. After he named as cell. Cell shape and size. After that subtopic, we discussed about cell shape and size. The shape of the cell depends upon the function it performs. It is based upon the function. The shape of the cell may change or remain same. It will sometimes change. After that, shape of cell. Shape of cell. Different shapes are there. One is spindle-like. Example, smooth muscle fibers. Next, flat cells. Cells of skin. We observed in this scene. Disc-like. These are disc-like structures we observed in the red blood cells. Branched. It is observed in the nerve cell. It transports the messages from the body. Some cells can change their shapes. Example, WBC. WBC means white blood cells. It changes shape. Exactly, they are in these type of shapes. After they changing the shapes, amoeba also sometimes they change their shapes, acquiring food time, and another times it change their shape. After that, cell size. Size of cell also varies. In animal cell, mainly the smallest cell is example mycoplasma, 0.1 micron, 1 into 10 to the power minus 11 meters. Longest cell ostrich egg, 17 centimeters diameter. In man, smallest cell RBC. RBC means red blood cells, 6 to 8 nanometers. Smallest cell in man. In longest cell, nerve cell, 100 microns diameter. Next one, cell number. Based on the number, there are two types. One is unicellular, another one is multicellular. Uni means only one single cell forms the body. Multicellular means multi-cell means number of cells forms the body. Example, man. Another one, cell structure. This is the cell structure. Cell is divided into protoplasm and cell membrane. This is the cell membrane. Outermost layer is called cell membrane. It is present both animal cell and plant cell. It is semi-permeable. Semi-permeable means it is some particles allows that outer to inner, inner to outer. It is made up of lipids and proteins. Protoplasm is divided into cytoplasm and nucleus. Discovered by Robert Brown. Protoplasm is discovered by Purkinje. Protoplasm is discovered by Purkinje. Nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown. Functions of cell membrane. These cell membranes provide the support to cell and it provides shape to cell. Exchange of materials. Next one, cell wall. Cell wall is outermost layer of the cell membrane. It is present in only plants. Cell membrane outer layer is called cell wall. It is dead cells. It is made up of cellulose. Mainly, the fungus cell wall is made up of chitin. It is important point. In all cell walls is made up of cellulose. In fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. It is nucleus. It is located in the center of cell. It consists of nuclear membrane, nuclear material, nucleoplasm and nucleolus. Nuclear membrane, this one nuclear membrane. It consists nucleopores. It exchanges the material. This is nucleolus. It is mainly rich in protein and RNA. It is the site of synthesis of ribosomes. Next one, these thread-like structures called chromatin. Next one, nuclear material. Contains chromosomes. It made up of DNA and proteins. DNA segments called genes. Genes transport the
Stars.
genes are hereditary vehicles. These one generation to another generation, these genes carries the characters. Thank you.